Hey guys, today I'll be showing you the new fire alarm system I got. Right here I got a Honeywell Gamewell fire alarm pro station. Up there I have a real RSS strobe. It can wire a horn strobe because my parents would not like that. And the sad thing is with the horn strobe is that for some reason the light won't flash. I gotta figure that out today. But I had to do some stuff to make it work. And let's go ahead and pull it for fun. Like, this is just a reminder, this is my system. Don't pull fire alarms in public. So we're gonna go ahead and do this in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that won't flash for some reason. I don't know why, but let me just find my key. I have a lot of keys on this thing. Hold on. Here it is. Wait. Thank you. My whole hand on it. It's right here. And we have some emergency lights that work when the power goes out. I'm going to turn my light off and give them a test. And they just flash like that. That's it.